Scenic.
Sokos&Hotel Kaarle in Kokkola.
Sokos&Hotel Kaarle in Kokkola, Kaarle, Finland. Built in 1989, H65540. Okay. You see the shaft from here. Yeah. 5 floors. I think one right per elevator will be enough because I'm a bit in a hurry to get to my sauna hotel. After this. Have you seen the staff elevator?
There is no staff elevator, but aren't there third public elevator also?
Third one?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go to that one too. Can we go through the corridor to reach it?
Yeah.
Okay, then. But we can change on 4B.
Yeah.
And then go up to the other one.
Yeah.
There's a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's still scenic. Even though there's a little bit, you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's change it. I'm turning 30 years old here this year, 2019. Today is the 23rd of July, 2019. Still very nice.
Yeah.
Chime is strange. H65541. It says in Finnish and Swedish. Also, all these years. This information is in both languages. It's going to be inspected in 2020. First floor. Take another ride. Actually, we can go from the 4th floor to piano to 4 and through the 4th floor corridor. We can stop on floor 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inspected by and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. So yeah, it's still scenic even though it's a very small part.
Yeah.
Nice machine sounds.
Yeah.
Turning 30 years old during this year, 2019. This is a full ride. That's it.
That's it.